Our free movement ballet bars are easy to set up at home. When you receive your height adjustable portable ballet bars, you'll get 2 bar mounts, 2 bar stands, 2 bars, and 2 leg stands. Not forgetting your toolkit. If you have instead chosen the single portable ballet bars, you'll get 2 bar stands, 1 bar, and 2 leg stands, together with a toolkit. Let's start building your bar. First, take a leg stand. Unscrew both screws using your hand. Next, take 1 bar stand. Place it directly above the leg stand, where it can be screwed in safely. Screw in the front and the back tightly using the bigger Allen key provided in the toolkit. Do the same for the other side. Once you have both fixed, you first need to loosen the 2 black screws using the smaller Allen key provided. Do the same for both sides. Next, take the bar and gently slot it in, making sure that the screws are loosened enough such that it doesn't scratch the bar. Once you're happy with the position of the bar, use the smaller Allen key to tighten both screws to keep the bar in place. Do the same for the other side. If you had ordered a single bar, you are now done. Let's look at building the second bar. First, take the bar mount and determine the height of your second bar. We recommend having the bar at waist level. There are varying heights you can choose. Next, use the back side of the bar mount to position the screw to where your second bar height will be. Place the front of the bar mount where the screw is. Tighten first using your fingers, then use the wrench and Allen key provided to tighten the screw. Have a look at the side view. Now do the same for the bottom screw, first using your hand, then with the tools provided. After the first bar mount is completed, take the second bar, making sure to loosen the black screws first, then gently fit the bar mount into the bar. Ensure that the second bar is leveled on both sides. Do the same as before. Put the bar mount in place. Use your fingers to tighten the screw. Then use the tools provided to tighten the screws of the bar mounts. Do it the same for the bottom screw. Remember to tighten the black screws to secure your second bar. And now, your double bar is complete. The free movement height adjustable double ballet bars provides a safe dance environment at home with its sturdy structure. The bars come with a center cushion for comfortable bar work that can be removed if preferred. We always recommend our double bars just because of its stronger construction in nature. Our bars have varying lengths to fit your home's available space and your dance requirements. At Free Movement, we support your dance journey by offering many dance solutions. We believe anyone can dance. See you soon!